Hey everybody, this is a really quick demonstration on how to use Flipgrid with our Focus Learning classes. So right now we are going to our test group for October 23rd. So the address up in the address bar is flipgrid.com/focuslearning October 23rd. And you'll see that it asks you to log in. We're going to join with Microsoft and we're going to use our Focus Learning address. I've already signed in once, so I don't have to put in my password, and here it is. And you'll see, if you look up here, there are two topics in our test class. So the first one is lesson feedback. Let us know how the lesson went, what did you like? And then show off your build is our second topic. And I'm going to go through this one because this one is my favorite to record. So it's pretty obvious what to do when you're going to record your response. You're going to explain what you learned in the lesson as you show off your build, including these questions here and any other details you want to include. But I want to show you a neat feature of the Flipgrid. So if we go to record our response, I've covered over my camera so you can't see me, because if we go to options, you can actually go to record your screen. And it will ask you which screen that you want to record. So we are going to record the application window for Minecraft Education Edition. And now it's capturing our Minecraft Education Edition. So I can go back into my game. And this is another build that I did a long time ago, so we can show off our build, we can explain who this person is and what they tell us, and then when we are finished, we go back to stop recording, and it gives us a chance our Minecraft Education Edition. So to review what we recorded, you can see you could hear my entire audio. I could add more. I have up to 5 minutes to do this, so you can record it in small clips one at a time. And when I am happy with what I'm doing, I will click on Next and submit my video. So I can select a frame from the video, I can take a selfie with my camera, I can upload a photo, and my display name, you can have that be whatever you want as long as it is some version of your name. And the rest of the stuff you don't have to fill in, but you can if you want, and you click submit. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't want to submit a response until it's a really good one. But that is all you do. That is using Flipgrid.